If you've spent 60 minutes setting up OpenClaw only for it to crash at 3 a.m. with zero warning, this video is going to save you hours, money, and your sanity. You searched for Kilo Code Review because you're trying to figure out if there's a better way to run an AI agent without babysitting a server. There is. It's called KiloClaw, and nobody is talking about what it actually replaces. Here's what self-hosting OpenClaw actually looks like. SSH into your server, configure environments, juggle dependencies, harden security, pray nothing breaks, and when a new update drops, you do it all over again. That's not building. That's maintenance jail. And the worst part? Your agent crashes silently. No alerts, no auto restart. You wake up and everything you automated overnight just didn't run. KiloClaw gives you a running OpenClaw agent in under 60 seconds. Not 60 minutes, 60 seconds. But here's what actually matters, and what I haven't seen anyone else mention. Number one, you're not paying markup on AI tokens. 0%. The same Kilo gateway already serving 1.5 million developers routes your requests through 500 plus models at exact provider cost. That means every dollar you spend goes to actual inference, not to some middleman's margin. Number two, bring your own API keys. Anthropic, OpenAI, whatever you've already got. Plug them into one dashboard instead of scattering secrets across random VPS config files. One place. Full cost visibility. No more guessing what you're spending. Number three, scheduled tasks run while you sleep. Monitoring, reports, data pipelines. Your agent doesn't clock out just because you did. And if it crashes, auto restart, health monitoring, automatic updates. You never SSH into anything again. Now let's talk money, because this is where most reviews lie to you. Self-hosting is free, the same way fixing your own plumbing is free. Your time has a cost. If setup takes you an hour and troubleshooting takes 3 more per month, you're already underwater. KiloClaw is $49 a month, but right now, the first 100 users get it for $25 a month for 6 months. That's $150 total for half a year of fully managed AI infrastructure. And here's the part nobody mentions. If you already have KiloPass Pro at $49 a month, it gives you up to $68.60 in credits. That means your KiloPass can cover your entire KiloClaw compute bill with credits left over for inference. You could effectively be running a hosted AI agent for $0 extra. This isn't a startup spinning up random VMs. This is the same battle-tested infrastructure behind 1.5 million developers. Enterprise features like SSO, audit logs, and team management are already built in. Your KiloCode account is your KiloClaw account. No new sign-up, no new billing. Just add an agent to your toolkit. And before you ask, yes, you can migrate your existing OpenClaw setup. Yes, there's a 7-day free trial with no credit card. And yes, it works with Telegram, Discord, and Slack with more platforms coming. Here's what I'd do. Click the link in the description. Start the free trial. Deploy your agent in 60 seconds. And if you're one of the first 100, lock in $25 a month before it doubles. Stop maintaining servers. Start building what actually matters. Links below. Go.